Jamaica, watch this.
No, what that? That then say extinct. Galawas. Remember Galawas?
But then saying stink.
Extinct. But I'm terrible that one. It means then they out. That them I say. You seen? Watch out. Alright,
So this is what kind of creature this is now?
A Galawas, brother. Galawas. The original Galawas. You seen? Yeah, man, and then say dead out.
So what you can do?
It can walk.
You can arm, yeah?
Yeah. Them have one saying back in that time. You see what I mean?
What then say?
Say you see if that's something I bite you and you reach dirty water before you're dead. So me I go prove it to you. Me make him bite me. Me make him bite. Yo, bite me.
Put your finger on it.
Come now one, do something now one.
You have to put your finger in mouth.
You do it. Make him bite you. And make him reach dirty water.
No, you know about it. Me don't know about it.